What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that this asset hit the range of support, and it is a triple confluence range. First of all, it is the range of support from previous price action at the price point of roughly $5.99, basically $6. Also, $6 is very meaningful number by itself. It is a round number and it might be a psychological support range. And third confluence is the golden pocket range, and it is the range if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. As you can see, we have this range, and statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And because of this confluence, I've told you that we have at least 75% probability to hit higher targets, to have a bounce from this range. And I've told you that if you want to have more confirmation, just wait until we'll see the bounce itself. And then on the retracement, you will be able to re-enter your position with the tight stop loss slightly below previous bottom. And instead of bounce from this range, we had the bounce from the next range of support. It is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And statistically, we have about 20% probability to see a bounce from this range. And as you can see, it happened. And we have this movement to the upside. For now, this asset gained about 8% to its value. And I have to say that we have this bounce. This means on the retracement, you can accumulate your position. And your stop loss should be slightly below this previous bottom. And if you want to catch the next leg to the upside, you will be able to re-enter your position right here. And what are the targets and what are the main details of this price action, I will show you in just several minutes in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let's start with the bigger picture. And as you can see, we have second day in red on this week, and as you can see, S&P 500 lost about 0.38%, Dow Jones lost about 0.5%, Nasdaq is pretty much flat, it gained about 0.18%, and Russell 2000 also lost about 0.39%. So I have to say that as you can see, S&P 500 falls for 5th straight day as red decision looms. We are anticipating the result of Federal Reserve meeting, and let me show you that it will be announced on June 15th. And definitely for now, the most bullish case will be the increase of 0.5 percentage point. And I have to say that most likely the market is already priced in this increase. But if we'll see a higher increase, or if we'll see the 0.5 percentage point increase for each month by the end of this year, definitely it will be more bearish pressure on the market. And especially we will see much more bearish pressure if the Federal Reserve decides to increase interest rates by 0.75%. Definitely in this case we will see much more bearish pressure on the markets, and we have to be prepared for this. So let me show you some news directly related to SOFI. And right here on investorplace.com we have this article that was published about a day ago, and it says CEO Anthony Noto keeps buying SOFI stock despite a potential reverse stock split. And I have to say that a lot of investors think that a reverse stock split for SOFI might be a very negative sign, but I have to say that it is not the actual reverse stock split. It is the ability for board of directors to make this reverse stock split in a matter of next year. And definitely by itself it is not the bad sign, but psychologically it might be some kind of negative catalyst. All in all, I have to say that if we will take a look on the insider trading list, you can see that Anthony Noto is still buying SOFI stock, and recently he bought about $450,000 in value of SOFI stocks, and he is not the only person who buys it. As you can see, Harvey Schwartz also added to his position, and previously on May 17th he filed another purchase, and previously he bought about $98,000 in value of SOFI stock, and for now he bought about $300,000 in value. And definitely when insiders are heavily buying, definitely it is a very good sign, and in a matter of next 12 to 18 months this asset from the ranges of below $6 will hit much higher targets, and it might bring you triple digits ROI. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, on my previous video I've told you that we have to have more confirmation of the completion of the C wave, and for now, because of this bounce, I have to say that I don't see that we might see this as our lowest point. This means if you want to enter your position, just accumulate on the way down, but your stop loss should be right here. And why I think so? Definitely, I've told you that we have to have 5-wave structure inside our C wave, and for now we probably might have, this is our first wave, second, somewhere here we might have the bottom of our third wave. This might be only the bounce to form the top of our fourth wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside that will complete the entire C wave, and this might be the bottom of the entire retracement, and this might be the higher low pattern, and from this range we might hit higher targets. And what should you do if you want to invest in this asset? Definitely you should follow Anthony Noto, and you have to buy on every daily red candle. You can buy every day or you can buy every other day, it's up to you, but definitely the range is below $6 fundamentally is very attractive price for this asset if you want to invest in this company for the period of more than 12 months. But if you want to catch the trade, as I already mentioned, just accumulate your position and put your stop loss slightly below this bottom. In this case, you will be quite safe, because you won't lose a lot of money if this asset will go south. And definitely the main negative catalyst for the entire market will be the announcement of Federal Reserve interest rates hike. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,